Welcome back to our channel where we explore the exciting world of data labeling and how you can turn it into an all-end opportunity. Data labeling has emerged as a crucial task in the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, companies are constantly seeking skilled individuals to annotate and label data for training algorithms. And guess what? You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin! Now, data labeling jobs can be a good way to earn money online, especially if you have some spare time and attention to detail. Now, here's one of the best platforms where you can find data labeling jobs. It's called Amazon Mechanical Turk, or also known as MTurk. It offers various tasks including data labeling for workers to complete for payment. Now, all you're gonna do is click on the Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk right here. Click on that. And once you have done that, you need to look for HITs or human intelligence tasks related to data labeling. Now, they also offer some pricing in here, wherein the good thing about it is that you pay only for what you use, and the price you as the requester pay for a human intelligence task, which is HIT, is comprised of two components: the amount you pay workers plus a fee you pay on Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is based on the amount you pay workers, right? Now, here's a follow-up detail on that. Say, for example, this is the worker reward, so you decide how much to pay workers for each assignment. Now, the MTurk fee is 20% fee on the reward and bonus of the amount that's dependent on how you pay workers. Now, hits with 10 or more assignments will be charged an additional 20% fee on the reward you pay workers. Now, the minimum fee is $0.01 per assignment or bonus payment. And again, there's additional fee for using the master's qualification, which we will be going in depth in the next tutorial, but the fee is 5% or the reward you pay workers. And again, for premium qualifications, you might want to see on the associated information here. And again, here are some features that you wanted to take and read and understand if you wanted to dive deep into Amazon Mechanical Turk. But this is one of the best platforms that you can start in terms of data labeling. Now, the next platform that we are going to explore, it's called Clickworker. Now, this one provides a range of micro tasks. There's a lot that you can check here because you can sign up and work on tasks that match your skills and interests, right? So it's not really it's a straightforward platform. As you can see, once you log in, you can log in as customers or for Clickworkers. And all they're gonna do is you can also register for the customers or for Clickworkers. Now, when you click on the register for customers to get you started, the only thing you need to do is to create your account, provide your country, email, and password, and all they're gonna do is check the terms and conditions, and once you click the sign up button here, you're all set. And if you're interested more about Clickworker, this is how it works. Basically, from project development and setup, they develop individual solutions for complex tasks for the clients and break large projects down into micro tasks that the jobs are processed directly on the online platform, simultaneously complete by many qualified Clickworkers, which is going to be you, right? Now, the result transmission is that the merge together after adequate quality controls have been carried out and finally transferred as correct results to the clients, which is the micro task that was given, right? So again, here's just a few examples. Data sets for machine learning, which is also provided as data labeling, and mobile crowdsourcing or on-site creation, collection, evaluation, and verification of data such as photos, geocodes, and addresses with the use of smartphones, and of course the Clickworker app. Now, I signed up for Clickworker in the past, and what I did was they asked for an on-site creation using photos for certain location of companies, and they pay well. So again, this is another platform that you can go if you wanted to dive more on the data labeling jobs. Now, the next platform is Appen. So, just wanted to make a very quick disclaimer that I have an account in Appen and I work part times for Appen because they offer a flexible work opportunities. And not only that, they are one of the pioneers for data annotation projects, and they often have tasks related just to speech recognition, image annotation, and natural language processing. So they are not limited, and their freelance tasks or micro tasks are diversified. So when you click on the schedule a demo right here, all you're gonna do is provide your email and a lot of information and click on submit. But of course, you might wanna go and just create an account here. And obviously, these are the key platform features: annotation, collaboration with teammates, testing, analytics and insights, and a lot more. And once again, if you wanted to explore more opportunities here in Appen, all you're gonna do is browse on all of their job openings right here. There's a lot, mind you. And again, if you're interested to go here in Appen, just go at appen.com to know more about their website and how Appen can help you give an opportunity in terms of data labeling. Now, the next platform that we are going to explore is called Scale AI. Now, Scale AI provides data labeling services for machine learning projects. You can join as a contributor to work on tasks like image annotation, 3D point cloud labeling, and video annotation, as you can go here. Now, these are the people for that handles. And if you click on the book a demo, now this page right here is for clients looking for workers, obviously for people who could work with them. But for you as the remote worker, you might want to go here in the sign up form at the upper right corner. If you have already, click on that. Now, to simplify the overall process, you might want to sign up with Google or just sign up with GitHub. And that's it. You're all set, and you can go and explore more data opportunities here in Scale AI. Now, our next platform is called Gengo AI. Now, it offers translation and data annotation tasks, which you can work on projects like image tagging, text annotation, and audio transcription. So this is one of the platforms that can offer you so much opportunity when you dive deep. Now, as you can see, these are the available languages that you can streamline. And if you wanted to create an account here, you might want to click on the sign in button here. Click on the sign up in the upper right corner. And again, all you're going to do is choose the type of, are you going to be a customer? Of course, you're going to be a translator to become part of the Gengo community. And after providing your email address and password, click on the agree button, click on the submit button. So that's it. You're all set. But to simplify the process, you might want to click on the sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook. Also, I just wanted to point out that Gengo is also a part of the Lionbridge company. So a Lionbridge company is one of a corporation that also deals with image annotation and data labeling, right? And once you've done that, you can explore again so much opportunities here for e-commerce, translation, website localization, app localization, content service translation solutions, and a lot more. Okay, and then now speaking of Lionbridge, basically Lionbridge provides data labeling services for machine learning and AI companies. Now, they often recruit remote workers for tasks such as image annotation, text categorization, and speech data collection. Now, when you click here, these are the services that they offer, from content services like technical learning, training and e-learning, financial reports, digital experience assessments, from digital marketing and content optimization, from translation services such as video localization, software localization, interpretation, live events, and website localization. So they also offer testing services and solutions. So in the past, I worked part-time here for Lionbridge, and I was involved in the training and e-learning, plus a little bit of content optimization, and they pay well. It depends on the complexity of the task, and from there you get, the more you get a complex task, the more you earn. It's that simple. It's straightforward, right? Now, to join their team, all you're gonna do is click this button here, and once you're here, as you can see, there are so many current job openings, so that you can start your data labeling opportunities here in Lionbridge. There's a lot. Now, before you start working on any platform, make sure to review the terms, payment rates, and requirements. And obviously, you can always join as a contributor and work on tasks related to speech recognition, natural language understanding, and image labeling, depending on your skill set. Oh, wait, before we said our final goodbye, let me just run quickly on Labelbox. It is a platform where you can find labeling tasks related to machine learning and AI model training. Now, here, when you click on these services, they boost AI, boost Workforce Express, and they also have the customers. Wherein from here, you can search for a lot of information regarding about their products and services in Labelbox, right here. So they have agriculture, retail and e-commerce, technology and software, and a lot more. Robotics and aerospace, media and entertainment, and manufacturing. Now, if you're interested about the pricing, you might want to click on this one. It's free, right? For individuals exploring and preparing datasets. Now, you can get access to a lot of perks and benefits. But if you wanted to avail the starter pack, which is like $0.10, which is perfect for teams building their first intelligent application. It includes everything in free right here. And of course, unlimited users, project and ontologies, custom labeling and review workflows, project performance dashboard, model-assisted labeling mail with foundation models, and a lot more. And of course, you can, if you wanted to scale up, you might want to go for the enterprise, data-centric AI platform for team buildings with multiple intelligent applications. And you can always click on the contact sales for more info, because it's an information overload. I know that. So if you wanted to dive deep about Labelbox, you might want to get some answers from them. And once you're happy with that, you might want to click on the start for free button up in the upper right corner. And as you can see, it's very easy. You can sign up, provide your email, password, full legal name, and organization name if that's applicable. Click on the I agree to the terms of service. Click on the sign up button and you're all set. Now, when you create your free account here, you have all the catalog surface and prioritize the most important data for labeling. And again, you can annotate. You can access a full suite of labeling, collaboration, and quality tools across a variety of data types. In terms of the model, you can test and evaluate models and mine rare examples to boost model performance. Now, one of the best part here in Labelbox is their resources. You can have access to their blog, press releases, case studies, white papers, pre-labeled datasets. When you click on it, fortunately, you will be redirected to the Appen pre-labeled datasets because they are partners. But when you click on the webinars right here, there is a lot of information that you can take. Also, we forgot to mention a platform called Defined AI. So it's one of those honorable mentions that we need to discuss, because Defined Crowd offers opportunities for data annotation right here and data collection. So these are the services from Accelerate.ai, evaluation of experience, and generative AI annotation services, which of course you can join as a contributor and work on tasks related to speech recognition, natural language understanding, and image labeling. And also you can go as the crowd service. And when you click on the contact us button, what will happen is All you're gonna do is provide all your data needs, reach out to the find.ai, and that team of experts will help you find solutions to your data related challenges. Of course, this refers to the client, but not you as the contributor or worker. Now, as a worker, all you're gonna do is browse the marketplace, and from here, these are the opportunities that you can explore in terms of the training data. Okay, there's a lot for you to choose from. You can even discover your ideal dataset. And I believe we covered everything that is related to best data labeling online jobs to make money. Thank you so much again for watching. We will see you in the next video.